Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mercedes, a New York City hairstylist and extension expert. And today I'm showing you how I take my client from short to long with a flawless K-tip install. If you've ever wondered how K-tips work and why they're one of my favorite extension methods, stay tuned. You won't want to miss this transformation. First things first, proper sectioning. This is key to a natural, comfortable blend. I always start with clean, dry hair to make sure each bond lays smoothly and lasts as long as possible. Now I'm applying each K-tip strand by strand. The keratin bond is melted and sealed, creating a lightweight, flexible hold that moves just like natural hair. This method is completely invisible and allows for maximum styling versatility. Loving this transformation so far? Tap the like button if you're enjoying it and subscribe for more pro hairstyling tips, transformations, and behind the scenes salon moments. Do something different, got my attention. 8 figures, fucking with a rich nigga. Big picture, more than just a night with ya. Don't switch up, girl, when the lights hit ya. Them diamonds gon' dance. Really don't dance, but I know that you. Blending is everything. I custom cut the extensions to match the client's natural layers so they flow seamlessly. Then a little heat styling brings everything together for that polished, natural look. As you can see, leaving out the right amount of hair around the perimeter calls for a seamless install. And here is the final look from short to long.